Testing, testing, testing.
How am I going to get out? I know, it's alright.
We are an hour in. We've got an hour to go to get to Lyme Regis.
We've got Richie, you guys.
We are then heading on to Oakdown Touring Park. We will see you there.
Get some popcorn and enjoy the video.
Welcome to Lyme Regis. We are in the camper van and we're having lunch before we walk down to the beach. So good journey. It took us about an hour and a half, just over an hour and a half, with some tight roads in Lyme Regis. And lunchtime. And I've just been corrected. It took us 2.5 hours, not an hour and a half. We are now heading into Lyme Regis Beach through a little footpath down the Ware Cliffs.
And said there was a cat.
And there was a sign that said there was a cat in field.
Why would they feel like they want to tell us that?
Because maybe the cat is a tiger or a lion, and they're warning us that there's a lion in the field. So we've got, I think it's about half a mile. It is quite steep, so
200 steps.
hopefully going down should be fine. Coming up, another story. Coming down was leg aching. Going up is 10 times worse. This is the footpath down to Ware Cliffs from Holmbrook, I think it's called, car park. I'll put it down here if I've got that wrong. It's nice to walk down, but steps are steep and there's a lot of, I'd say about 100 steps, but I'm guessing, so it could be 70, I don't know. Feels like 200. But if you're going down, I think there is a roadway back that's longer but easier. But this way's for the crazy people. Oh, that was a hard walk.
Really hard walk.
But we are now 20 minutes away from where are we going? Oakdown Touring Park.
16 flights I've climbed.
Oh yeah, let me stop. 20 minutes away from Oakdown, so we will see you there.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
And we have arrived at Oakdown, and somebody will have to stay in our cart and somebody will be to us.
Oh yeah.
Hi. Yeah, not too bad, thank you. Yeah, Richard Chubbs. Yeah,
You and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
So we have arrived here. Let me just do that. We have arrived here at Oakdean Touring Park. We have pitch number 20 in Oakview Road, which is a road down, unfortunately, down the side of the main road, which isn't ideal. Every 30 seconds you hear a car go past. But hopefully that will quieten down at night time. It's a spacious pitch. Little hedges separating them, which is good. Only one toilet block here, which we'll get to in a minute. But yeah, we're going to go and do an explore now.